a drone. Mrs. Z here, and you are in for a real treat. You're going to experience what it's like to broadcast clover into this bean field. They're planting this clover, so next year they will have some clover for their cows. But they can't drive the big equipment through these beans without smashing them, so they are using a drone. I have never ever seen this before, so you're going to experience it with me. I think I hear it coming. Let's check the sky. Can you see it? There it is. How cool is that? Getting ready to take off. What are you guys spreading today?
Oh, it's Balanza clover and rape.
What?
Yeah.
Is that a type of grass?
Wait, rape?
Uh-huh.
It's like a turnip.
Are you going to bale it?
No.
You'll turn them out here to pasture?
Probably going to turn them out in the pasture.
Oh, there it is.
We'll
The big
just kill
seed is Balanza clover.
The red seed is the Balanza, and
Oh,
the rape is the black.
Is the big
yeah.
one. Okay.
Oh, very good.
It's red. The red seed is red because it's got a coating on it. So it's got a. It's a legume, so it's got a little treatment on it.
How long have they been spreading with drones?
I'd say just in the last 2-3 years it really became popular.
Huh? Now, do you do this full time?
No. We're also ranchers, and
Oh.
we spread seed in trees and waterways and over our own pastures.
Are you from this area?
We live south of Parsons, but we'd moved from Missouri.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me your name.
Wilford Hochstetler.
Very nice to meet you.
So we still have cattle in Missouri on it's about 1,000 acres, and there's a quarry in there. And I'd always wanted to seed that quarry, and it was always difficult with four-wheelers. So then we can fly it on. You know, you just get up there above the trees and all the rough terrain and rock wall and what have you, and drop clover seed. So, and in the trees, you know, you can grow a lot of forage in the trees.
For real?
Yeah, it'll defoliate here in October, then that opens up the forest floor.
Oh, wow.
So we're just trying to maximize. I've always wanted to do that. I had worked with the Missouri Extension agent and showed him what can be done, and then we were trying to develop drones in 15 and 16, and then we moved in 17 and everything stopped.
Yeah.
And now they have come out from what we were trying to work on back there at that time.
So you're sold on it?
We think it would be a better way than out here doing it by hand.
Yes, exactly.
Or four-wheeler.
Yeah.
And it's more precise and faster. I'm not saying it's the only way to go, but it definitely has its spot.
Very good. Is that a generator I hear?
That's right.
Why do you need a generator?
To charge our batteries. like several batteries. That way you can keep running all the time.
Nice, nice. And there's his little remote control gadget.
How long does one of your batteries last?
It all depends how much seed you carry. We can carry up to 108, 112 pounds.
Wow.
And if you're working right in the field, like say for instance right here, you could fly twice, on one battery. But let's say you have to travel further to drop seed, then that cuts your battery life down. That's what it comes down to.
Now you're not doing much control in there. Is it a GPS thing?
It's
like a tractor?
computerized.
Computerized?
Yeah,
Very good. Nice. Can anybody hire you to do this? Do you do a lot of hiring out?
Sure. We're just starting, so it's not like we've had a lot of clientele. He's the guy from the Kansas Wildlife Department.
Yeah, that's David. Hi, David.
Hello.
Is this pretty cool or what?
Yeah, it is.
Have you seen it done before?
Well, yes and no. I've seen videos of it, but never actually up close till this morning.
Yeah, this is my first time. This is cool. Does that mean you're out of battery or you have to refill?
Out of seed, and we'll replace the battery.
Very good. Awesome. No, it's all good. It's all good. There goes the new battery.
I think we found it.
Yeah. And we will go with
40. Cool. Go, folks. That's what you call high-tech farming. If you remember David that I just spoke with, his grandma lives right next door to me, and dear Catherine told me this morning about David coming out here to do this, and she told me in the course of that conversation she and her husband used to use horses to spread this seed. That's how far we've come. seed is so tiny I can't even see it falling from the drone. But it is planting that seed. And right below that drone is soybeans. They're just now turning yellow, which means they're almost matured out and ready, just about ready to harvest. All of those leaves will turn yellow and fall off, and you'll have just a stem with some bean pods on it. And that's when you know you're close to harvest. When those beans in the pod dry down, they're ready for the combine to come and harvest them. Let me show you what that bean looks like. This is actually what the farmer needs, those pods. But it's not enough to have pods. You need to have the beans inside the pods. Looks like that one's got 3 beans in it. And those beans inside are what the farmer sells. And that's how the farmer earns his living. Lots of uses for soybeans. So cool. Coming in for more seed and probably a new battery. Charging those batteries. I just learned that they also spray, especially fungicide, on corn after it's up with drones. Had not heard that before. So for those farmers who are watching this that want to hire you, are you allowed to tell how much you charge? Or would you rather not?
Well, we're starting out with $12 an acre, and then like $1 for every 10 pounds you add to the first 10.
Very good. I don't know about you guys, but this has been fun. You just never know what you're going to see on a daily basis on the farm. Thanks for joining me today as we spread seed with a drone. Be sure and hit that subscribe button so your friends will know about Born in a Barn. We'll see you next time.